Okay, so over to pound USD. So another USD pair. I'm pretty bearish on this one as well. A lot of rejection we've seen recently. Price has made its way back to significant heights. It's taken out some big highs, but really failing to push away. We've had a lovely bullish move for most of the year. Took out this major high from last year, and now looks like we're starting to crumble underneath that. Of course, we've seen some bit of rejection here. Momentum kind of died out after NFP on Friday. You can see a bit of a wick there. This is the tri-weekly chart. I just wanted to show the wicks and the rejection we're seeing at the highs here. So it looks like price is really struggling, really lacking momentum after the bullish run we saw through most of the year. So I do think we can see a bit of downside, but I do worry as we approach this area here, because I wouldn't be surprised if you find support and then turn around. So I'm not looking for any crazy move for pound USD. I do think more downside is likely, but I'm not going to be looking at big targets or a big trend. Of course, that could form, but I'm not necessarily going to bank on that. There's a lot of support here. This is where we rejected on Friday. You can see the momentum came in then on NFP, and of course it lined up pretty well for nice support levels. So I like the short still. I do think another lower high could form. We've got one over there, second. I do think we can potentially put a third one in. I'll be looking for the retest of this support level. If I flick to the daily, you can see a little bit better. Support once, twice, looking to see if that can act as resistance, and basically just the pullback of this bearish leg lines up pretty well with the 50, in between the 50 and the 0.618. So that would be a healthy area for a pullback for me, and just some shorts back into support